Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to create masking or cut zoom effect on Capcut. Let's see the preview.
I'm just playing, ladies.
Add the clips.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll
Adjust all the imported clips.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Select the first clip, then split. Go to last part of the overlay, then click on overlay. Place the overlay to starting of second clip. Go to speed option, then select the speed to 0.1 sec. Select the better quality option. Select the overlay again. Then go to mask option. Select the shape accordingly. Here object is round watch, so I am selecting round option. Click on invert option. Adjust the mask according to the shape of the object in video clip. You can see mask is moving to another direction to fix this. Then go to starting of the overlay. Then add keyframe. Then find where the mask is getting moved another direction. Then add another keyframe and adjust the mask. Repeat the same until the mask gets fully adjusted to shape. It should look like this. Go to mask option again. Go to the last part of overlay. Add keyframe, then increase the size of overlay. Here we are done. Repeat the all steps for remaining clips. I am fast forwarding it save time. Please subscribe. It takes a lot of efforts to make videos. You can see my phone charging. In second clip of car, I am giving effect on wheel. So split the clip where we can see wheel in front perfectly. To make the effect more attractive, you can use grab too.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Export the clip. Then create new project, add the exported clip. Click on the clip, then go to motion blur option. Adjust the settings you want. I am giving full effect. You can see by motion blur it made the effect awesome.